yours motivational speech, and I found myself in this field, and I want to make my life very happy. For that, I am joining this. I learn a lot of new things, mainly in this dance form, and I make concentrate in the classes also, and improving my daily routine. We can take a mindfulness, which is required nowadays.
Welcome, Preeti, to Danceathon Finisher Interview Series. Very happy to have you as finisher. You've done Kathak Basics. So we'll talk a lot more. First, you introduce yourself.
Yeah. I am Preeti from Karnataka state, ma'am, and now I am pursuing the MSc in clinical psychology. Yeah, so for that I came for in Bangalore, which is in Karnataka. So I'm studying in that field, ma'am.
Wonderful, Preeti. So, what brings you to learning Kathak?
Actually, ma'am, in my childhood, I want to learn some classical dance. Particularly, I don't know which is because in classical dance there is a lot of dance types are there, but couldn't identify which one I can adjust and suit for me. After the in 10th standard, I have some means I have interested in a dance only, not in a particularly not like that. And after the in PU, that will goes only for studies. And after in a bachelor's, I make myself in Kathak mainly. I don't know how is that because of in some there is some of the annual functions are there. During that, I want to do something which is different. For that, I'm going for a searching and searching. Then I find this field mainly in Kathak. So I want to learn this from the childhood, but I couldn't identify this is my favorite and this is suit for me. After I knowing this field in bachelor, there is some of the presentations and some of the there is some internship like that. So I can't continue my practicing in that field. After joining this one, just I'm scrolling the Insta where you inspire me to come up this dance thought mainly. So just we will try what happens. So that I attend the one of the webinar, which is on October 20. I thought so. I attend that and our viewers motivational speech, and I found myself in this field, and I want to make my life very happy. For that, I am joining this. And after the coming in your danceathon class, I enjoy a lot of things and lot of what's that motivate me more in all the fields in all my life. And for after learning this Kathak, and my I also improve my studies also. That makes me more concentration, and so it's helped me a lot in my daily routine also.
Wonderful. So, increase in concentration. You seem to be happy, fulfilling a childhood dream. So
Yeah.
nice, Preeti. Very happy to hear.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
you are from Karnataka, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, how come you developed interest for a North Indian dance form? You already have so much classical art forms in South India than North India comparatively.
Yes, ma'am. But I am actually I'm not interested. Interested in only dance. I don't know which type of I don't. But when I learn something, when one in my bachelor's, one friend is there. She's I think she's taking a class in a Bharatnatyam. But I felt that that's a little bit difficult for me. So after that, she told some other dance forms, which is Kathak and some of the some Western dance and so on. So we'll practice about because she want to be learn Kathak first. I knowing this dance form from her. After that, we'll practice together on the Kathak, and we do one performance during the annual function. And after that, I got more interested in this field only, Kathak.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Very nice. See, my husband is also from South India. The
Okay.
name is Kathak, but he will say Kathak, Kathak, and I can see you also speaking Kathak, Kathak.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So, By doing this 5 weeks danceathon, how do you feel? How well did you learn?
Yeah, ma'am. I learned a lot of new things, mainly in this dance form, and I make my body position and little bit changes nowadays, and I make concentrate in the classes also, and improving my daily routine. When I came to the after coming to the college, I make 10 minutes or half an hour for practicing, making a that will make my mind fresh, and again I will go for studies.
Beautifully. That's exactly what I used to do. Just be fresh and then get back to studies. Very nice. You know, the mind says you give a break. You want to
Yeah,
study, study, study. You need to give a good break. Once the mind is completely disconnected, then it connects back better.
yeah,
So these fillers as will help. Usually the fillers can be a sports activity or anything apart from studies. But I feel this is really good because you are investing time to not
yeah,
just learn a dance form, but also in our own culture and our own roots. What do you think?
yeah.
Right.
That's also very important
That is
because we
really,
are continue our culture mainly.
and we hardly have studied it. That's how,
Yeah,
no?
mm,
So it's a very good way to go back to our roots.
yeah.
All right. Preeti, what else did you experience during these? What did you like the most in these 5 weeks?
In 5 weeks, I like your teaching style, ma'am, mainly because you are not teach only a dance. You want to involve those persons in that dance form, so that expression is suddenly comes in our face. Then we can make different. We think that we are not in the world. We are in a different world. Yeah, I feel this one, ma'am. And also, I learned lot of basics which will help me, and I also learned some different different steps. I use these steps in a different songs now also.
Beautiful, Preeti. Wonderful. Really, really good. Okay. Anything else that you would like to share regarding this 5 weeks journey, your feeling, or anything that you would like to share to other women of your age, students?
Um, about in these 5 weeks basic dance-a-thon, actually, I feel myself in a different perspective which we can't imagine. As myself is also involved in other field because we have in my studies we have only study is there because our field is like a medical field, so I have to go for studies and studies. But after this joining this one, because my life is like a different, it's like colorful. So by joining this Kathak, we can not taking only the dance or not anything, but we can take a mindfulness, which is required nowadays. So that because we are in psychology, we know that in the nowadays our people are very busy in their work and they don't give their time for self also. By doing this dance or this is one of the habit we can make this habit, so we can make our mind is also free and mindfulness. For that we can live for a longer time.
Beautiful. So I also want to tell all the viewers here that Preeti brought out a beautiful thing. You know, the mind becomes one with the body and the spirit when you are doing something as beautiful as dancing. Especially when you understand a classical art form, then you have to go step by step. You can't learn everything at once. So you have to really go like a, you know, on the ladder, one step at a time. And while doing that, it becomes a beautiful journey because you're training your body and mind together, and that journey becomes gives your mind a high because it is all one. You can't learn dance when your mind is somewhere else. It won't happen. The body will not say do it. So you can only learn when the body mind becomes one, and this is actually what in our scriptures is termed as yoga state of mind. So it's beautiful. It's such a nice spiritual experience. Very nice, Preeti. Very happy to have you. Congratulations to be a finisher and keep continuing on the path.
Yes. Yeah,
Anything,
definitely, ma'am.
any last words before we end?
Mm.
Thank you. Wonderful.
Thank you, ma'am.